Almost every video in starting a UK marketing agency is American, and almost everyone is secretly a long advert for the same piece of software. I read the comments on these videos, and most viewers were just annoyed about how these videos were just them advertising affiliate programs. So what I decided to do was make this video for other UK agency owners and showing them how to use GoHighLevel properly within the UK's marketing laws, so you can actually decide if this tool is right for you. I'm Sen from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you need to understand that the software isn't the business. Getting GoHighLevel doesn't make you an agency owner. Having a proper offer that you can fulfill actually does. GoHighLevel is just the scaffolding. It's the vehicle in which you deliver your service. But if you don't know how to set up GoHighLevel, you won't be able to give your customers and clients the best value possible. So before you touch any settings, you need one clear thing that you do for one clear type of business. For example, your business offering might be something like, I get more 5-star Google reviews for local tradesmen. Or I text back the leads that builders miss when they're up a ladder. Or I fill quiet midweek tables for independent restaurants. Now, when it comes to your business offer, you want to keep it narrow, specific. Have a real outcome that your real businesses actually need help with and that they'll actually pay for. But if you're worried about the market being saturated, just remember, any business model in any market will always be crowded. However, if you always stay as a generalist, then that means you're trying to sell to everyone in a crowded market. So niche down, be specific when it comes to your offer. Also, you don't need to be a massive expert in everything. You just need to be good enough that you can help someone. Think about it. A plumber doesn't lie awake worrying about his marketing funnel. He worries that his phone went quiet this week, or that his recent 5-star job never actually turned into a review. So if you're able to fix those exact worries and communicate them in their own words, then you stop sounding like another generalist and someone who can actually specifically help them. This gets way more conversions and finally allows you to start using all your tools to start helping people. So once you've got your offer completed, that's when using GoHighLevel or any software becomes relevant. Also, it starts to become a lot more straightforward in understanding how to use it. And the good thing is, setting up GoHighLevel for any UK-based agencies is actually quite simple. First, you want to sign up for the free trial. You then create your agency account, and the first thing you change are your currency. Make sure that this is in pounds, not in dollars. Also, confirm that you have a GMT time zone and also your business details are correct. Then connect a Stripe account. Again, make sure that this is in pounds. So when a client pays you, the money lands in your UK account. Also, one thing I've noticed is that when a UK client sees any kind of pricing on your landing page or business offers in other foreign currencies, it just feels off and they're less likely to convert. However, when they see pounds and a clean invoice, your business just looks a lot more local and a lot more legit. So subconsciously, they'll just trust you a lot better. That's why setting up your GoHighLevel account is so important. Okay, so once your account is live, you're ready for this next bit. When it comes to GoHighLevel, you can actually create sub-accounts for every client. This keeps everything organized and all the things that you're building for each client separated. There's also something called a snapshot. It's a saved template of a whole setup. Your funnels, automations, your review system, all of it in one bundled template. This allows you to just build one of these sub-accounts once, then save it as a snapshot, so that when you onboard any new clients, you just load in that snapshot and all the work and setup has already been done. That's the whole advantage when it comes to using a tool like GoHighLevel. You're never starting from scratch, and you always have a massive suite of tools that you can immediately start using for your clients. Also, the fact that you're running the system for them is another reason why you can charge your monthly fee, because it's not just a one-off job that you build it and you forget about it. You're constantly monitoring, optimizing, and making sure the marketing tasks happening within GoHighLevel are being done properly. For example, if your business offering is reviews for tradesmen, your snapshot might hold a short form to collect a customer's number, an automation that texts them a review link the day after the job has been done, and a nice simple dashboard for your clients and yourself to review. The clients can then log on, track everything, and see the amount of reviews that they keep on getting. And this is something that you can just build once properly. However, every single new tradesman that you sign gets the same template snapshot in just a few clicks. And remember, I've got links to GoHighLevel down below if you want to check it out. Okay, but there's still something I need to show you, because there's a certain way that you need to set up GoHighLevel to save you so much time and legal hassle when it comes to setting up these tools. Now, this is going good, but if you run this in the UK and skip this next part, you can actually land yourself a fine. Okay, so we've made good progress so far. However, there's still a key step that you need to make, otherwise you might actually get yourself fined, especially if you're based in the UK. There's 3 specific things that you need to do to get GoHighLevel set up for UK businesses. First of all is how you set up. You can start as a sole trader, which is simple, or as a limited company, which gives you legal protection and looks more credible to your clients. And once you're earning real money, a limited company through Companies House is the usual step up that makes you look a lot more legitimate to any of your clients. Pick whatever fits you right now. The second move is VAT. You don't need to change any of this on day one, but once your sales pass £90,000 in a 12-month period, you have to register with HMRC. Just know their number just in case, so you don't get any surprises later. And the third move, and this is a big one, is how you're actually allowed to contact people. In the US and other countries, people are able to blast cold emails and DMs all day long. However, here, that can break some rules. The ICO is clear. You can't send marketing emails or texts to individuals without their permission. Now, there is a narrow exception where you can contact your past customers, and you can contact registered companies more freely, but you keep a list of anyone who says stop and you make sure to respect it, otherwise there can be legal issues. Also, a sole trader counts as an individual under these rules. So a lot of small local businesses are individuals, not companies. When in doubt, just get permission first. It does take more time, but it keeps you safe and it's better first impression as well. So if you're using GoHighLevel for outreach, just make sure you don't do any cold outreach without permission. So make sure you always lead with trust. Have one specific thing that you're going to fix and you're going to pitch to them. And if you're just starting out, let's just start with the smallest thing that you can do. This week, make a list of 10 local businesses that you feel you can help out. And for each one, find one obvious thing that's broken. It could be the website, a Google listing with just a few reviews, or it could be a contact form that never replies. Then offer to fix that for free using GoHighLevel. And instead of them having to pay you, you give them a free, then offer to fix that for them for free or a cheaper price, so that instead of them paying you the complete price, you have a case study, a real result, and a happy testimonial. You can use all of that to then get more clients. And then once you sign them on, remember to just reuse the screenshot templates to get set up a lot faster. With outreach, I found that just having one real case study or results that you can point to beats hundreds of cold messages, because a lot of these business owners really value trust and credibility. So now let me give you the realistic expectations of what you can build with a UK-based agency. A lot of these gurus are selling the dream of making 10 grand a month by next Tuesday. But honestly, that's just not how this works. Now, with GoHighLevel, it takes a few weeks to get properly comfortable with this, but it's very powerful. So make sure to give yourself a first few weeks to get comfortable and get used to this tool. Also, getting your first client takes real effort and a few awkward conversations. The recurring income comes only after you've proven that you can deliver, not before it. Now, I'm not saying this to try and put you off, but rather to give you realistic expectations so you don't quit in week 2 when the results aren't as instant as you thought. The people who win in this UK agency space are the ones who didn't stop at the boring or hard work. They still continued and persisted. So once you get that first few clients and you give them the real results, that's where GoHighLevel stops being just a cost and starts paying you every single month. Also, GoHighLevel has something called the SaaS mode. It lets you resell the software as if it's your own product, and it's probably one of my favorite features. A client will just pay you a monthly fee, and the system that you created will make their account for them automatically. And you can just add a small markup on things like their texts and their calls if you provide those services as well. So now, instead of having to do one-off jobs and chasing them for their invoices, clients will just pay you immediately every month to run a GoHighLevel system that you built for them. If you want to try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a free trial that you can try down the link in the description and pinned comment. And we do use affiliate links, and it's how we keep making free videos exactly like this, but at no extra cost to you. So if you use it, thanks a lot. I'm Sen from Side Hustle Mastery. If this helps, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.